I'm going to talk about what actually makes paid ads work at scale, and it's not what you think. So everybody thinks that the perfect ad will get them amazing results. You know, a client comes to us, they're like, hey, I heard you guys are great at ads. We take a look at their funnel and their offer, and it's just not up to par. And that's the first thing we look at when running ads. It's not their existing ads or even their existing ad account. It's what their funnel and their offer looks like, and then we start looking at the ads. So there are three big elements to making paid ads work at scale, and three big secrets to making any paid advertisement program work. And the three are offer, funnel, and then your ads. So by far the most important thing is your offer, what you're selling, right? It's really, really important to have a great offer and package it in a way that people want to buy it. So why is this so important? Number one, if your offer sucks, people are not going to be happy with it. You'll have a high refund rate. That's already going to make paid ads harder. Number two, if your offer isn't packaged the right way, nobody's going to want to buy it, right? Like, people just won't buy because your offer doesn't make sense. So it's extremely important to focus your energies on your offer before you even think about the funnel and the ads itself. The second most important part of making this work is your funnel. So what is your funnel? Your funnel is, number one, the actual way you sell your program or your course or your product. So it's the technical steps they go through, as well as the marketing steps. It's basically how you convert them from a very lukewarm lead that doesn't really care too much about your business into an actual purchase, right? And this involves your marketing message. It involves all the various steps involved. And what's really important is that the marketing message of your offer, funnel, and your ads are all aligned. Like, that's extremely important. So you want to make sure it's a straight line and that you're not saying different things or you have different angles in different parts of the funnel. You want to make sure it's all aligned and it all makes sense. And the funnel is extremely important because it comes down to funnel math. So if you can pay $5 per lead and then you generate $8 on the back end, so let's say your revenue is $8 from a $5 lead, then you really are not going to be able to scale paid ads that much, because the big players are spending $20 a lead if they need to, right? If you start scaling up, if you start spending $5,000 a day, you're not gonna get $3 leads because of the fact that now you're doing it on scale, you're trying to generate qualified leads, and you're also basically going to go out to a wider audience, and the wider audience is going to be less interested. So at scale, you're gonna have higher acquisition costs, and you need to make those numbers work. So what that means is your revenue per lead has to be higher, and what that means is your funnel and your offer have to be on point, and your funnel has to be able to convert those people into solid, basically hot buyers that will buy the offer that you have. So we've talked about the offer and the funnel. Those are what make the math possible, and those are what make people want to buy. And then your ads are simply a way to get people into this ecosystem, into this funnel and this offer, and then you just put $1 into your ads and you get $2 out. And that's why it's so important to understand that part of it. So yeah, paid ads is honestly mostly about that. And as an agency, what we've really started to learn is that we need to be able to advise our clients on their funnels, and that we need to be able to kind of give them suggestions on what to do. And we've seen that really help our client results. So, if you're a business owner, obviously, make sure you're working on all three parts, but really offer, funnel are the two biggest. And then the ads are important, but not as important as those. And if you're a freelancer or an agency that's working for clients, really make sure you communicate to your clients how important that is, and make sure you understand the numbers of your clients. Make sure you understand the funnel numbers of your clients, so you can figure out whether it's a problem with the ads you're running for them, or it's a problem with the actual funnel that you're sending traffic to. Because obviously, if it's a funnel, then you have to make changes to that, or you have to tell your client to make changes to that. And if it's an ad problem, then bam, there you go and fix that. So really important to understand this concept. And if you like this video, give me a like and comment below if you have any questions. And cheers, guys.